We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig Vinco Ventures Inc. It exploded today, but it wasn't the only stock pushing higher. The overall market and the SPY had taken off in the pre-market and held up higher throughout the day. And today in the morning at 9:40 a.m., our SPY bot sent us a direct notification of a bull indicator, and call options were up 2 to 3x within minutes, guys. This is our new release that gives us an edge over the markets within the volatility to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going. So the SPY ended up holding up. And not only did Bbig go higher, but the overall market, a lot of stocks were pushing higher. But Bbig's explosive run was phenomenal. And we're going to break it down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned on the weekly watch list. I know I talk about a daily watch list all the time, but we also have weekly opportunities for those of you that are swing traders or long-term traders as well. There's opportunities for all trading styles within the community. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig. So the home runs of the week were spectacular and beyond expectations. And I know I always talk about daily opportunities, but we also have weekly opportunities as they present themselves. So if you guys want to know early on every day in the pre-market what stocks we're watching, and also weekly, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day and week. Now, these are the two stocks I mentioned on the weekly watch list. I expressed why I was watching them, and both of them turned out to be home runs last week within just a matter of days. The first one here is STRN. Lowest point of the week was 173. Started to pick up traction here. You could see the weakness here on 42 vision, shifting into strength, got a bull indicator, and hit a highest point of 30% plus. And then we caught MTTR as well, lowest point of 781, started to reverse, full strength here on 42 vision, got a bull indicator, and hit a highest point of 20% plus in a matter of 2 days as well. If you guys want to gain on early with us and know about these stocks before they take off, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So Bbig had an explosive run today, and it turns out to be getting away from a key support level. It was actually at a make it or break it point. It had been under a bear indicator for 2 days straight and a half, and then finally now reversed and move with the rest of the market. As I showed you guys earlier in the video, the SPY was up as well. And if you go through the market, a lot of stocks had moved up anywhere from 5 to 10%. But Bbig moved up nearly a total of 20% plus from the pre-market to the high, guys. That was phenomenal. But we have some key things to look at here based off the chart. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators. And these bull and bear indicators can give you the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going. So in the 30-minute, we were under a bear indicator for the last several days, right? It actually was starting up here at the 350, 360 mark, fell downwards, hit lows here of 308, consolidated, and ended up building a support. Then it got a bull indicator today right after the bell. And since way down here at 324, it took off to a high here of 360. Now, if you've been watching my videos and you've been tracking this with us here on Invest for Tomorrow, I have talked about how important 375 is up here, but how 360 has become a resistance level that the stock keeps on breaking below every time it gets close to it or slightly above it and quickly right back down. And that's happened in the history of the chart as well. And if we zoom out right here as well, and if we go all the way back to way back here last year in July. So this is a key resistance level that the stock is having trouble getting out of. And every time it gets to that level, there's a lot of investors locking in profits or cutting their losses short that have been averaging down, and it doesn't let the stock go higher. Apart from that, there's also shorts keeping an eye on it, and they do not want it above that level. I mean, just above 360 starts putting pressure on some of the shorts, because then it gets closer to $4. And I've stated how important it is for this to break through $4, get to $4.40, and keep on moving higher, where the shorts will eventually feel the pressure. And I'm not stating we'll have a run like this one, or we'll have a run like the ones from last year, but it could create an explosive squeeze to the upside, because those shorts eventually will get trapped and have to go ahead and cover. Now, we're under a bull indicator on the 30-minute. If I pull up the 4-hour, we have a bull indicator that's been here since 312. No bear indicator has popped up, and this right here is a big sign of strength. I stated in yesterday's video, if this continued and went into a red bar, we would eventually see a bear indicator. We have not seen one. But if it reversed quickly back up to green with green borders, we were going to see some strength, and we got it. And we have it here, and we're seeing it. Now we need to see if it can hold up and continue. But this bull indicator, through the volatility, has been holding true. And we'll see if this kind of forms a double bottom effect here. Even though it's not as close to the bottom of the previous low, it actually is bouncing back up as if it is one, right? So now let's pull up the 1 day so we could see together if we're still under a bear indicator or if that bull indicator has popped up. Well, here we have the 1 day. It's under a bear indicator. One of the biggest signs of strength would be a bull indicator popping up, as this is trying to reverse back up. Now, it did get out of that dark green with red borders back to green with green borders, but we have been seeing this flip-flop back and forth for the last several weeks. So this is nothing new, but if this could break through resistance levels and get above 360, above 375, get to 4, hold above it, cancel out this bear indicator, get a bull indicator on the way back up, hold true on the 4-hour with that bull indicator as well, as we see it down here since the 313 mark, right? And then on the 30-minute, continue to break through resistance levels, and within the volatility, have bull indicators that dominate in the moves like these right here and cancel out these bear indicators very fast. That will be a big sign of strength, and that the bulls are starting to put some pressure on the shorts, on the bears. But one of the biggest issues is a lot of investors are cutting their losses short, or they've averaged down enough to make a profit as it moves up closer to $4, or some are just trading it within the moves, and it's not allowing the stock to break out to newer highs. Every single time, it keeps rejecting this area. It's going to be a pivotal moment when it does, and when the stock actually holds above these resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.